Regional Center for Organic and Natural Farming Imphal ni Luwajijakma by Rajakhor Aguli State Agriculture Research Station Conference Hall Nogo Khlaijakha Natural Farming and PGS certification ni bagwi Salnwi training. Asalni Pando Narwai Khorang Manjaka Agriculture Department Secretary Upurba Roy, Joint Director Dr. Uttam Shahano Khobu Imphal ni Regional Director Akosong.
I congratulate you having been associated with such a noble mission. In fact, this is part of the national mission for natural farming, and I think natural farming, why it is essential and why the certification is required. You will be imparted the inputs regarding this aspect, I think, during these sessions coming ahead of you in these 2 days. So I feel that the certification, this builds consumer trust. Because of multiple reasons we need certification. Especially this PGS certification is prescribed for this natural farming product of different states. And I think there are other reasons, like say if you certify your product, then it open access to niche market, or you can call it a premium market that will fetch you better price. And it also brings uniformity and standardization to natural farming practices, ensuring all the products that attain certain quality standards. Then I was talking about the traceability yesterday. So traceability is also a big factor. I think if you maintain certain standards in your natural farming cultivation practices, and the traceability can be determined, in that case, your product will have some quality benchmark that the customers will be seeking in the market.
Rajakhor Aguli Chini Khorang.